How to delete your Instagram account. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can delete your Instagram account in 2024. So in this tutorial, first of all you'll have to go and open your Instagram app, and after coming to your profile you'll have to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right. And after that click on Account Center and then scroll down and click on Personal Details. After clicking on Personal Details, you'll have to click on Account Ownership and Control. After coming over there, click on Deactivation or Deletion. And now here, select your account. And then either you can deactivate it or delete it. But know that after clicking on Delete Account, you can reactivate your account within 30 days because it goes in the Instagram archives. But after 30 days, if you try to log into your account, you won't be able to log in. However, if you deactivate your account, you can even come and reactivate it after an year, it will still remain there. But if you click on delete account, you have only 30 days to recover your account. After that, Instagram will permanently delete your account. So that is how you can delete your Instagram account.